Hello Video Diary people, you join us on an awful day. The weather is hideous, the number of people here is hideous, the food is hideous. Yes, it's 29 degrees, we're in the sun, we're in the water park, and we're chilling out. And it's pretty awesome, I have to say. They're at home, where they're getting ready for snow. Sad times. You alright, Mark?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I don't know if I can see you, I think you can.
I can just see myself right now. Yes, it's very, very warm and I am chilling like a builder.
Awesome. This will be a short video today, because after this we are going shopping at the outlet malls.
Oh dear.
Oh dear, whoopsie doodle. So that'll be good. Good to do. So yeah, sending love to you all. Yeah, I'm just toasting nicely. Okay, good day.